Scaffolding is a common fixture on construction sites, providing temporary structures for workers to access high places. However, it's not just about platforms and ladders. Scaffolds also carry crucial safety information through attached scaffolding tags. Scaffolding tags serve as visual tools, communicating critical information in the busy world of construction. They tell us about safety, compliance, and the inspection status of the scaffolding they're attached to. These tags come in different colors, each with its own meaning. First, green, or OK tags, indicate that the scaffold is safe and compliant. Then, yellow caution tags suggest safety concerns or maintenance needs, reminding workers to be cautious. Lastly, red danger tags are clear warnings to steer clear of an unsafe scaffold. These tags display key information such as unique identification, inspection date, load capacity, inspection results, and safety status. For effective communication, it's essential to prominently place these tags, especially near access points. Larger structures with multiple levels require multiple tags. And remember, tags must always remain legible and shielded from harsh weather conditions. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay safe and stay informed.